Today we are going to change one of the advanced functions on the machine. So we're going to change how fast the thread break sensor detects a thread break on the machine. So this would be useful if you're using different types of threads and you're using different tensions. You might want to adjust this option. So we go into option, the first icon, and on number 14, you could use the scroll of buttons if you need to go up or down. On number 14, thread break detect, you should be able to change this. Usually we leave it on normal. If you need it to react a little bit slower, then you could just make it so you go to different speeds for the thread break detection sensor, or you could set it to quick. If you don't need to move this setting, just leave it at normal and you should be fine for most common embroidery types.